internet. So today is a little bit of a different setting. I am just sitting on the floor in my room because the filming room I normally use isn't really available today. If you guys are subscribed to my planner channel, which is A Beautiful Fable, then you will know that there's this company, this subscription box company that I use called Zenpop. And I have been unboxing them for about half a year plus now. They release all sorts of boxes, and the particular one that I've been unboxing is a stationery box, which I love. So it felt only natural that at some point I would try their beauty box, which actually looks exactly like their stationery box, only mine's a little bit like worse for wear. I'm not sure if you can do the beauty box as a subscription. I don't think you can. I think it's like a one-off thing, and then every month or so you just like purchase the box as a one-off. But I've been through a lot of subscription boxes in my time, and I have, you know, kind of had mixed results with them. Some of them were like, they often start out pretty good, and then they just... I wanted to unbox this on camera and show you guys exactly what you get in case you're interested. So this is kind of weird because usually I have this on a table and then I unbox it like this, but that's for stationery. For beauty, I tend to just talk to the camera, so let's just see how I go. So the first one is this product. Like, I can actually show it to you guys much clearer. So the brand is called Lushy, and it is essentially a face wash, a moisturizing one at that, which would be great for me since I have dry skin. So the full name is Lushy Moisturizing Foam Komenuka Face Wash, which is essentially rice, like barn rice or something like that, mixed into this face wash, which is supposed to be more like better for your skin, hydrating, gentle, all that sort of stuff. This is a pretty decent size though. This is definitely going to last me like a few months, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay, this is not beauty related, but it's like their little mascot. So if you're familiar with Zenpop box, then you'll know that this little guy, I'm not sure if he has a name, he's like a, I don't know, like a big bunny. But he comes, he's kind of like the mascot for Zenpop, and sometimes you get him in different boxes. And I think I already have one, but actually it is good that I got another one because the one that I previously had got stolen by one of my cats and it's become a cat toy, so I'm gonna keep this one a little bit safer. Next is this. Next is this. It seems to be like a lip mask, a strawberry chocolate lip mask, moisturizing lip pack. Yep, a lip mask. Apparently it has collagen, moisturizing ingredients, and you basically just exfoliate your lips, put this on for 10 minutes, and it's supposed to leave you with really nice lips. I actually have a few lip masks at home, but I don't use them. I think I just generally don't feel like I have much of a problem with my lips. I definitely have dry lips, but I feel like I don't care enough to use a mask. But I am determined to give this one a shot. I think I've seen this one before. This is a peeling pad. This is from, it's a Pure Smile. The brand is Pure Smile peeling pad. It's a Japanese brand, so it's kind of like a face wash and exfoliator. You've got two sides of the pad. One is like a smoother one that you use to wash your face with, or well, not wash your face. I would definitely use proper cleanser, to be honest, but I would use that to cleanse my face, and then you flip it around to the more grainy side and that becomes an exfoliator. That's kind of cool. And it comes in different flavors. So mine is peach, but according to this manual, you can get it in kiwi, lemon, orange, strawberry, and peach. I'm not complaining that I got peach. Oh my gosh. So this is a silicone heart puff. It's essentially like a beauty blender, but silicone. And I've seen similar ones on YouTube where they don't look as pretty. Like this one actually looks pretty cute. Silicone, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. It seems to have kind of mixed results with different people. So I'm very curious to know if this is going to work, because some people seem to think it's amazing and some people seem to hate it, but I mean, I can just never tell. So this next product seems to be kind of like a face sculpting product. I'm just going to take it out of the plastic first. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty warm colors, to be honest. I'm not really sure if it'll work for me, although maybe. I do have kind of yellow tone skin. I feel like I look so much darker today for some reason, but I think it's partially lighting, partially like you can see my neck's a lot lighter. I'm using a much darker foundation at the moment. I'm just trying stuff. But yeah, so it kind of looks like this, kind of warm tone. And so this one is the 3D shader. This is the skin color, highlight, cheek, and cheek. So I don't know, these aren't really colors that I would typically choose myself. Like, I find them to be a little bit on the dark side. Also, oh no, okay, these two are at least matte, these are shimmery. I was like, ugh, I don't think I would want a contour to be shimmery, but I'll give these a shot and see what I think. It is from a brand called PRM. Then we have this little guy here. It is a, Celina style treatment wax. I think this is for your hair, just like kind of style up your hair. I guess if I had shorter hair, it would look really cool. When I used to have shorter hair and I used to put wax or gel in the front, like this was ages ago, like way beyond my YouTube days, back when I was still in high school at the start of university, and I had like really short hair and I would style it with like gel and wax and stuff like that. So this would make a lot more sense if I had shorter hair. Don't know if I would use it now, but we'll see. We've got two more products. We have a face mask. I'm laughing because so like if you go to Japan, there's so many face masks you can buy. I mean, really anywhere in Asia, there's like tons and tons of face masks. But Japan specifically seems to have like these cartoony face masks where you can like look like a tiger or look like an animal or a pig or something like that. And I don't usually go for those because I'm much more like skincare focused rather than like, I don't want to say like gimmicky focused, so those things don't tend to attract me. I tend to look for things that have good reviews by people with great skin and that sort of stuff. So I've never bought any of those, but I think this is one of them. And if you look at the back here, I think this is what the masks actually look like when you wear it. So it's like a robotic Hello Kitty, which is just crazy. So at least the key ingredients for this is hydrochloric acid and collagen, so it's just like a general all-around nice moisturizing face mask. So I don't think it's going to do you any harm. I think you'll just look really weird with it. So it'll be interesting to try, that's for sure. And the last product is this lip gloss, which is kind of freaking me out. This color is blue, although I suspect it's probably so like light that when you put it on, it's more like just a plain clear lip gloss with some shimmer in it. You know what? Rather than just talking the talk, let's walk the walk. I'm gonna try this out on my arm. Okay. Oh, it smells really nice. It's like really fruity. So yeah. There you go. It's like super clear. No pigmentation whatsoever. That's the entire unboxing. I look so flustered on camera. It's really hot in this room and I can't turn the air conditioning on, otherwise the sound is going to sound really bad. So I am going to finish off this video so I can finally turn the air conditioning on again and cool down. Thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's other beauty boxes you want to see, what subscription boxes are out there. I'm really keen to try. I'm much more interested in like Asian subscription boxes. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to internet.